Hi guys, welcome back to Kylie's Fun Family Toy Time. Today we're going to be making chocolate covered bananas with chopped nuts and sprinkles. So the things that you'll need are a banana, a small Ziploc bag, a bowl, nuts, two 12-ounce chocolate chips, a paper plate, 6 skewers, a half a cup measure, and sprinkles. So now we're gonna do is we're gonna crush the nuts. So we're gonna do a half a cup of nuts in the measuring cup. And then now we're gonna open the small Ziploc bag. We're gonna put all the nuts in there. We're gonna zip it up really tight. And then we're gonna lay it down and we're gonna use our measuring cup and we're gonna crush them. You don't want it to be too crushed, then you're not gonna be able to taste them. Just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to put one bag of chocolate into the bowl. Now we're gonna melt the chocolate in the microwave 30 seconds at a time. And it might take more than 30 seconds, so make sure you watch it. We put it in for 2 minutes and 20 seconds in all. So we put it for 30 seconds, stirred it, 30 seconds and stirred it until it was melted like this. So we are gonna peel our bananas. We're gonna peel it. And then, once it's peeled, we are going to cut it in half. We're going to do that same process for all 3 bananas. So now we're going to skewer the bananas. So we take the skewer and we put it through halfway. And we do that same process for all the bananas. So we do the same thing. Put it through halfway. We do it like that. So now we're gonna drizzle our chocolate on the banana. So we take some chocolate and we drizzle it. And we keep doing it until the whole thing's covered. Drizzle. Drizzle all the way around. This looks very yummy. Make sure you get the whole thing covered. Now we're gonna put some sprinkles on there. Now we're gonna do another one. This is really fun. Make sure you spread it around too. We're going to sprinkle the chopped nuts and put them on the banana and make sure they're all even. Now we're going to put it on the parchment paper and then you're going to put it in the freezer for about 1 or 2 hours. We decided to change it to popsicle sticks instead of skewers so it's easier. And here's the final product. It looks so cool and it's been in their freezer for about an hour. They look so delicious. I can't wait to try them. I'm gonna do this one today. Mmm. They're really good. I hope you liked my chocolate covered bananas video. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye guys.